Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into USAA banking, secure access step by step clearly. To begin the login process, open your web browser. Type in the URL for the USAA banking website. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Log On button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Log On button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your user ID in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Ensure there are no typos in your user ID or password. If you wish to stay logged in for future visits, check the box for Remember User ID. Once you've entered your information, click on the Log On button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you forget your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your login information. Once you have access, navigate through your account as needed. For enhanced security, always log out after your session. Now you're ready to manage your USAA banking account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.